Hello everyone, it's Hanny with day 20 of my December daily. I have a piece of cardstock with silver on it, and I made a little doily yesterday with my new punch. I got from the thrift store, this one and this circle, and I made the little doily, and I think maybe I can do a big one too. I tried one yesterday, but it didn't work the way I wanted it to. Could use that one too though. Well, I'm going to try to make one from this stuff. Was a bit tricky. Don't know if the punch is good enough for punching this thickness. So I have to try a little bit. Yes, it does. You see? Well, I had to try because I didn't know if it was okay. Can I do... Oh, it's too small for the big one. It's too small for the big one. Can't do that. No, I have to do a little one. I like that too. So I will cut the little one, I hope. I'll do it from the other side because I can write on that. I have to make marks. Well, I can do it this way. Do I have the right? Yeah. I have to make a few marks, like so. And I have to stand up and try to cut this like so, putting my knife in it and turn it around this way, and I hope it is getting... Oh, sorry of my hat again, and my hair is a mess, a big mess. I tried to let it grow a bit. Well, you have a point where it is awful. A few years ago I had long hair. Well, I've been sick and had chemo and it was gone, my hair. So it's very short. It was very short, of course, because, well, I had nothing anymore. I have to look for a while, sorry, if I did make the marks right. Because if I didn't, yeah, now it's right, I couldn't see it. Sorry for that. Now I'm doing the other part, like so. Well, that's okay. That did work. And now I'm getting the punch. Oh, I have to stand up again. This is the little circle, the small circle, so I'm going to lie it on there. Oh, I will try to put my head out of the way. Yeah, and oops. It doesn't work. Oh shit. Well, you see, I can't get through it. I was afraid of that. Maybe I can pull off a bit of that cardstock to make it a bit thinner. and if not I have to get another piece. Well, this doesn't work. Maybe I have something else. Well, I have silver one, but it's a bit, well, dull. It doesn't, it isn't that shiny as this is. But okay, it's thinner, so I'm going to try again. And I'm going to do it again the same way, and when I'm ready with that, I'll show you. Well, I did cut it out, and now I'm going to try again. And that does work. Uh-oh. It's too thin. Oh dear. Oh, it's okay. But I think it's a bit too thin now. Well, I tried. I did the first cut. And now I'm going to... Sorry, I have to look very precisely. Sorry for my beautiful hair. I don't know if you can see it, but I lined it up on there. So yeah. Yep. Now I have to line it up again. Well, I did it the right way. Well, I thought I could do it this way too. I have this piece just laid to the bottom, and then this is going to be a pocket. Going to glue it halfway, and then the little silver doily on it in the middle, and the little guy there, and then a pocket like so. So I'm going to glue this on. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is gluing the silver piece, the silver doily, on the white doily. Could make a little pocket of this too, but I don't think I'm going to do that. Just glue this on, I hope in the middle. It looks good. I'm leaving this piece of foam on, just gluing it with glue on the little silver doily, like so, like that. And now I'm gluing the whole part on the page, and then use it as a pocket. Like so. That's it. And now I'm going to make a journaling card. I'm going to use this card as a journaling card. And I think I'm going to cut that round a bit. Well, I hope I'm doing it the right way. Oh, you can't see it again. I hope I'm going to do it the right way. Oh, it's a bit scary doing that. Eyeballing. And now I'm going to... Oh, I can't do that. Maybe... I'm gluing this doily, or a piece of it, on the back. Yes. I can journal on this. I can journal on this too. It's not a big deal. So, putting some glue on it, putting the doily on it, like so, something like that. Maybe I should cut a piece off. Well, no. I'm leaving it this way. I can journal on this, and I'm putting the card in there, just like so. Well, I have to put 20 somewhere. I have little stamps, and I think I'm going to use these one. I have these ones, and these. I think I'm going to use those of this stamp. Oh no, these are blocks. I'm not sure. Just try it on a piece of paper. I can't get the two out. Like so. I'm going to stamp it on a piece of paper, the back of this, just to try. This is the two. And this is going to be the 0. Like so. It's a bit... Try it again. I'll do the 2 first. 2, press a little bit, not harder but softer. Well, this doesn't work. Another try. Press it a bit harder. Maybe I should use another color. Oh, this was shifting. Well, it's a 20. I'm going to stamp some more. Why not? And then I will pick the most beautiful one. Oh. Like these two. So these are too dark. I like these two though. So I think I'm going to cut them out. Like so. should glue it on there. Or on there, no, not there. There, 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 there. I'm getting a bit tired making December daily stuff, because well, I have made 19 now, and it's getting difficult to think of something new. Well, I'm going to do that in that corner. It's not dry yet, but or should I do it in that corner? I don't know. I'm getting a bit tired. I'm doing it in that corner. Like so. Well, and I have 11 to go when I do the whole month of December. Maybe I could stop at Christmas Day, but I think I'm going to do all December. Well, I'm going to leave it this way, just like so, and I think it's okay now. So this is number 20. Yeah, it's okay this way. So I will journal on this little card, and I'll be back tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye.